to this new video of Maths Made Easy. Now in this video, as you can see on the board, we are going to do equivalent fractions, okay, from the chapter Fractions, chapter 7, Ganita Prakash of class 6. Okay, this is your new NCERT textbook. So we are going to take up Figure It Out from page number 172. Okay, so let us start. Now here, what are equivalent fractions? Like if I have half, okay, then I have out of, let's say out of 2 apples or out of 2 fruits, I have taken 1. That is the meaning of half. Okay, so I have taken half the fraction of this. But then if I have taken 2/4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, out of this I have eaten 2 out of 4 fruits. Then also isn't it the same fraction? Okay, so I can have 3 out of 6, that will also be the same fraction. So your number can be different, these numbers can be different, but then after you cancel, after you reduce, you will see that you get the same fraction. So if it is 4/8, then also it is an equivalent fraction of half. Okay, so it is like if you are supposing you are making cake, you say for every 2 cups of sugar, every 2 cups of flour, you will put 1 cup of sugar. Okay, now you want to increase the quantity, you have guests, you want a bigger cake. So you say no, I will make out of 4 cups of flour. I will make out of 4 cups of flour, and then you will have to understand that you can take any number here. You can take any number of cups, you can make as big a cake as you want, but you have to keep increasing this, but keep the fraction same. Okay, so here you will have to take then 2. Sugar has to be 2, so that finally it comes to half. You want 8 cups of flour, then take 4 of sugar. This is an equivalent fraction. That means the fraction actually remains the same, the numbers change. So here this chapter we are going to do equivalent fraction. Now you know what they are saying here. There is a question, find given pairs of fractions such that the fractional units are the same. Okay, they are saying fractions such that the fractional units are the same. Fractional unit is nothing but the fractional unit that they are using. This word is nothing but the denominator. Okay, so the denominators are the same. So let's see. First question, this is Figure It Out, page number 172. Right at the top of the page you will get 7/2 and 3/5. Now see, and 3/5. All different numbers. We have to make them such fractions such that the denominator is same. Okay, they are not equivalent. They are not going to be equivalent fractions. So these two themselves, when I change, they will not form equivalent. Now also they will not be equivalent. But where is the word equivalent fraction? Why is it in equivalent fractions chapter? Let's see. So here 7/2 and this is 5. My LCM is 10 of 2 and 5, not of 7 and 3, of the denominators. I want to make the LCM number here. So I will multiply with the 5. If I multiply a 5 with the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator also with a 5. Otherwise, I am changing the fraction. I can't do it. I can't change my question. So I get 35/10. Okay. Now note one thing, this 35/10 is actually on cancellation gives 7/2. So we are getting an equivalent fraction, we are not changing the fraction. And 3/5, here also I want the denominator to be 10. So into 6/10. So fractional, now the question says for the given pairs of fractions such that they are having the same fractional unit. So I made for 7/2 I made 35/10 and for 3/2 I made 6/10. So they have the same fractional unit. So this is my answer, 35/10 and 6/10 with the same fractional unit. You see a few more examples and you will understand what exactly is happening. So the next question is 8/3. This is 8/3 and it says 5/6. 8/3 and 5/6. My LCM of 3 and 6 is a 6. This I don't have to change, but here I'll have to change. So 8 by 3 into 2 into 2, 16 by 6. So my two equivalent fractions are, for this it is same, for this the equivalent fraction is this, and now I have the same fractional unit. So they have the same fractional unit, so I have got my answer. They are not saying that the two last numbers are equivalent, they are not. 3 by 4, this is the question number C, 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. Now note, again 4 and 5's LCM is a 20. Okay, I will find one equivalent for this with an LCM of 20. I will find another equivalent for this with the denominator as 20. I will find one equivalent for this with the denominator as 20, another equivalent for this with the denominator 20. So 3 by 4 into LCM is 20, so into 5, that is 15 by 20, and 3 by 5 into 4. Why I am doing into 4? I got a 20, that is the LCM. Okay, they said same fractional unit, same denominator. So this is what I am getting. 15 by 20 is an equivalent of 3 by 4. So 3 by 5 into 4, 12. So here 12 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now let me tell you again, these two are not equivalent, they are only with the same fractional unit. Actually, why they are making you do this, because after this you will have to do this for subtraction and addition of fractions. That is why they are preparing you. 6 by 7, 8 by 5. 6 by 7 and 8 by 5. Okay, so 6 by 7, LCM of this is a 35 into 5 into 5, that is 30 by 35. Every time we have to check the LCM. 8 by 5 into 7 into 7, which is 56 by 35. So I have here 30 by 35. Okay, I have here 30 by 35 and I have here 56 by 35. So I have got with the same fractional units. Okay, now next one is 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. Okay, this is E. Now the LCM is 4. 9, here I will not change this, but 5 by 2 I need to change. So this is 10 by 4. 10 by 4, same fractional unit, 9 by 4. Got the answer? Okay, 1 by 10, 2 by 9. 1 by 10 and 2 by 9. Here, this is question F. I want my LCM, which is a 90. 2 by 9 into 10 into 10. 20 by 90. Okay, 1 by 10 into 9 into 9. 9 by 90. So this is 9 by 90 and it is 20 by 90. So now what do I have? 9 by 90 and 20 by 90. These are the same fractional units. See, 90 and 90. Okay, now G. The next question is G. Okay, G is 8 by 3, 11 by 4. 8 by 3 and 11 by 4. LCM is a 12. 8 by 3 into 4 into 4. 32 by 12. 11 by 4 into 3 into 3. 33 by 12. So this is 32 by 12 and 33 by 12. I got my fractions with the same fractional unit. This one is the equivalent of this. This one is the equivalent of this. Okay, there is one question H also. Check in your textbook and send me the answer that I am leaving for you all. Let's see who can do it and send it to me. So this is the page number 172, Ganita Prakash. Please check in the playlist for other chapters, prime time, lines and angles, perimeter and area. All the figure it outs you will find in the playlist section. Okay. Thanks all of you. If you have not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe and send me a comment with that answer of question number H. Okay. Thanks all of you. Bye then.